I make the sound.
Ignore the bad lighting
So
and
do
all
you
that.
want me to go?
Yeah, you go first. Why do you always do that? You're like,
I don't know. I sound like a monkey.
no, she sounds like a pixel girl. Oh wait, she is.
I'm going to. Okay.
Excuse me. I can verbal command.
Go.
You
Go.
told me to go.
No. Make the face.
Oh.
Okay.
That was so bad.
I don't know.
It's actually pronounced. Arigato. Am I kawaii? Alright, your turn. Go.
I already did.
I know. And mama.
No, that was. It's actually pronounced. Hey, baby.
Hey baby.
It's
You were
supposed
never
to
gonna
be.
get a man.
What?
You were never gonna get a man.
Go. No number.
I'm not.
Oh.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
You have to make the sound.
Okay.
You're not making the sound.
No, that's the sound.
No, I'm doing the face. You have to make the sound.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
It was oh my gosh.
See, that's what I said.
You went oh my gosh.
No, I'm not supposed to be like that. That's because I knew. That's why I said.
Alright, your turn. Ow! I'm trying to act cool. I'm so cringe that I'm trying to act cool with my cousin. People are gonna be like, Maddie's the mean older cousin who doesn't want to be there. Joke's on you, we begged her to stay a fourth day, a third night. Yeah. Alright.
What? My turn?
Oh wait, no, it's my turn. Wait, I made a sound.
Okay.
Alright, your turn. Okay. Huh?
No, it's actually pronounced where's the food?
Where's the food is where's the food?
No,
Not,
like that's how it was.
it's not just my turn.
Okay. Okay.
It was actually I'm a little leprechaun.
Oh, where's the one?
You can't read the
Okay, go.
Your turn.
Okay.
Okay. And there's like so many problems with this word. Like what? Oh my gosh! Like what?
It was actually pronounced. That was the total opposite.
What was it?
Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. Oh
my god! It's actually Mama made me mash.
No, no.
Mama made me mash my M&Ms. Oh no. Mama made me mash my M&Ms. Oh no. Can you do?
No, we.
Wait, can you do? Do right now. Do re mi right now. Do re mi fa mi right now. Do re mi fa sol la mi right now. Do re mi fa sol la
No.
mi right now. Do re mi fa sol la ti do la so fa mi right now. Do re mi fa sol la ti la so fa mi right now. Or do ti la so fa mi right. Do re mi fa sol la ti do.
I can't stop itching my eye.
Okay, womp womp. Okay, my turn.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Awooga ooga.
It was awooga. Alright,
I was so close. I
Go.
just said that
Go.
2 times.
Rockabye baby.
No, it was actually pronounced
La da da. I was thinking that, but I wanted to make it funny. I was like, la da da. No, let's make it funny. Rockabye baby. Why are you being so cringe?
This is how you rock a bye baby.
No, rock-a-bye baby. Wait, so how to get rid of a baby? Rock-bye baby.
No, this is rock a bye baby.
No, you're supposed to throw a rock at them. Rock-a-bye baby. Wait, no. Rock-a-bye baby.
Wait, I just had an idea.
Wait, no, Rock buys a baby. The Rock Johnson buys a baby.
Okay,
Like,
okay, we're completely.
you're welcome. You'll be Dwayne Johnson at the store. Stop. Thank you for your purchase. You're welcome. Stop.
I'm playing with it. Okay. Ow.
I'm kidding.
It was like rockabye baby.
Ow.
What? I didn't do-
God, Peyton.
I didn't do anything.
I just want to go to bed.
Didn't do anything. You're pranking me. I'm sitting here.
Does this look like a prank?
Yes. She's fake crying.
I'm not. I'm tired. Just gonna go to bed. Is that my water?
No. This is the
Oh. I'm pranking you.
See? I told them. No.
Alright. You ready?
Mhm.
My turn.
No, I thought it was my turn.
No, it's my turn.
Okay.
And wait, I'm thinking.
Is that the face? Okay. Ah, me more.
It's actually girl. Wow. Alright, your turn. Yeehaw! Yeehaw!
It was actually just yeehaw. You got it.
Alright, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Ready? You have to do the movement too. You only did it once. Wait, I have a good one. I had a good one. I lost it. Wait.
Okay, where, oh.
It's wee. Got that all right. I'm kidding. Okay, go. I'm gonna be the cool older cousin right now.
I already did.
Wait, do it again. What are you doing?
No.
What?
I just applied my lip gloss.
Oh yeah, remember when you would wash off and lip gloss with a toothbrush?
No, because I never did.
You
Also
did. Remember
today-
you said this is my lip gloss toothbrush?
I never did that.
Oh wait, it
Also
was.
today,
Oh, wait, it
I
was your
went
electric
crazy
toothbrush.
on face paint.
Never mind.
Like, remember?
It was your electric toothbrush.
No.
Oh, you went crazy on face paint? Alright, do we gotta go on TikTok right now? I think we do.
No.
No, it's going to. No,
No,
it's
I
actually.
looked like worse than Indian.
That's.
No, like,
No, I'm gonna get canceled for that.
no.
Indians are not ugly.
I know.
They're not looking like you. Peyton is sitting on a tablet. Maybe that's why it has a crack in the God of Christmas. Or at least that's why it's gonna have a crack. Oh my God, where's my phone? Oh, baby! No, baby! No, don't. Actually. No, baby!
Okay, can I make the sound now?
Hold up, I need to go grab my mom's phone.
Why?
I know, I just need it for someone's birthday. Guys, we'll go to bed soon.
Okay.
I said I'll be quick to my mom. Here's my anxiety. Oh.
Okay. So, Maddie, this is the face I'm making.
No, wait, I haven't. What? Hold up, stop. Bro. Well, I've done some pretty crazy face paint. Let me show you on my YouTube. Say that I don't wanna live like. What I did to my aunt, guys.
Wait, let me see. I can't see it. Wait, I can't see.
I'll show you in a second. Basically, guys, I did face paint on it. That's the kind of face paint I did before a shower.
Bye bye.
Oh, like this one.
Huh?
I smeared stuff all over my face.
I want to see them.
No. Alright, back to you make the face, I make the sound of whatever.
It's my turn, right?
Alright.
Okay.
Ooh, baby, put your heart together. Ooh, baby. What was it?
Oops, I did it again.
I play with your heart. Got a lost. I can do Britney Spears. Got lost in the time. Oh, baby, baby.
That's not Britney.
Hold up, I can't. Hold up. Oh, baby, baby. Wait. I need to get in voice. The palette expander makes it harder though. Oh, baby, baby. Oops, I did it again. I play with your heart. If I had the palette expander out, I could so do it. So without it, I can do Ariana Grande. But right now, I'm working on it with it. Ready? I'm Ariana Grande. Yeah.
I'm Ariana. Wait, I can't.
What was that? All right, my turn.
I'm Ariana Grande.
No, wait, this is my turn.
Wait, I can't see it.
You ready?
Yeah.
No, it's yeah. I'm Ariana Grande. Yeah.
I still heart.
Oh, wait. I have to get into opera mode. No one more, so wicked. No more. Forget and goodness knows when you're wicked. Alright, okay, your next face, Friday.
What?
Okay, face, right.
So breaking Maddie, and I'm putting her iPad underneath her pillow. She doesn't have no idea yet. So also I did not brush my hair. Sorry. Just like that was so funny.
Bye.